I pulled down the fire alarm / ungrounded. Man, I am so bored. What should I do? I know, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now I will ask my teacher if I can use the restroom. Hey Andy, may I use the restroom? Yes Damien, but come back soon. Okay, I'm out of the classroom. Now time to pull the fire alarm. Good. Now I better get out of here. Wait, oh no. Why is the fire alarm going off? Everybody, line up in a straight line. The good news is, there is no fire, but one of your students must have pulled the fire alarm, and whoever did it is lucky. Oh okay, I was just thinking there was a fire. When the class went back to the classroom. Okay, now that's over, but can anyone tell me, or think, who could pull the fire alarm? I think it was Damien. I heard that he was going to pull the fire alarm as a prank, and he was the only one in the hallway when the fire alarm went off. Damien McDonald, please report to my office, now. Oh no! I am so dead. So do you know why I called you here? Why? Great at pulling down the fire alarm, you get a whole month off. Thank you. When I got home. Damien, great at pulling the fire alarm, you're ungrounded and you can watch Netflix. Thank you, Dad, and also, thanks for watching.